I'm going to have a look here now in this. I've started recording here just so we're going to create the service ducts. We'll say we'll do it in level 1, for example. So to get them shown in this, I would just create a copy of this duplicate view with detailing, and then I'd rename that as ducts or ductwork or M&E, or I'll just put in M&E. Okay, so it's really clear. So that's a separate now drawn, which I can pull onto a different page. You can only pull these onto one page at a time. So I'll drag this onto here, you see. And it might be a ceiling plan that I actually have to do rather than a floor plan. It might be a ceiling plan. So I'll go to ceiling plan not. So if you need to take a duplicate of that. If I then do ductwork and that, there's wee videos sent out. It's very straightforward to follow them, but it is you go under systems, duct. I'll just pull in a few ducts here. They're not shown because they're not visible in this view. It might be that the height that they're at or something else. I'm gonna have a look at this in 3D on my section just to see. I'm going to look at it in the 3D view. So that has drawn something, but it isn't visible because it's above where I was looking at. So I'm going to put on my section box, and I can now slide this back so I can see into the kitchen where I was drawing that duct. So the wee videos, look at this, and there's a duct there. See the duct just drawn in? So if I change the height that it's at, I'll change it down to 1500 so that I can see it. 12, I'll change it to 1200. Top 1200 to the middle, okay. So I should see that in the plan now. But possibly M&E stuff isn't shown in it. There it is, it's shown there in the ceiling plan. You see that? It's there. So the visibility is set to minimal. So I'm going to change it to medium. So you can see that this is a single simple duct. Its diameter is, I'll change that to 100. Okay, and the height 100 as well. It's a much smaller duct now. So you could add on another duct. And it's a bit like the furniture or anything, you control the height of it at any time. So I'm going to draw on another duct going from there to here. You see the height of it's way wrong. So I'll go again, I'll set the middle elevation as 1200 before I draw it. I forgot to set the diameter. Okay, I need to change the diameter to 100. Over here. That should work then. Okay, the fitting isn't available. It's not in this file, but I've sent them out to you in email. So once you pull in the fitting, it's like a piece of furniture or anything. It has to be in the model to join it. It would join those two. I'll just put two here together, just that are not connected. They're just two separate things. But when you put when you have the duct in place or the connector, it connects them automatically. But you can then control those heights, what height they're at. You can see the 1200. And this is the layout plan that you'll bring to me. I want a duct layout for in the upper ceiling or something like that. As simple as possible. It's the ability to do it. The wee videos I have show you how to add on different items, different like an outlet point and that. So I want you to get some ducts in place. So this essentially gets you started with it, and we'll look at it hopefully on Friday. But follow up with the videos as well that I've sent out about the ducts and the families that I've sent out for ducts as well. So it's time's run out. I'm going to finish up this class and the recording. So I'm going to stop sharing, and hopefully that will allow you to get pushed on with the ducts or the M&E.